Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll explore the top 10 reasons property owners regret not hiring a professional property manager. Real estate investment should build wealth, not stress. But many owners find out too late that self-management can lead to hidden costs, legal risks, and time drains. We'll uncover the most common and costly mistakes that turn dreams into financial nightmares. By learning from others' regrets, we can avoid those pitfalls and protect your investment effectively. Let's start with 3 major challenges self-managing owners face. First, vacancies drag on for months because without professional marketing and networks, properties stay empty longer, often 2 to 3 months more. Second, poor tenant screening leads to disasters. Skipping thorough background checks invites unreliable tenants. Third, legal compliance is a minefield. Laws change frequently, and missing updates exposes owners to costly lawsuits. Professional managers handle these expertly, saving time and money while protecting you legally. Now, consider the hidden cost of DIY maintenance. Self-managing owners often pay 25 to 40% more for repairs because they lack trusted vendor networks. Emergency repairs without established contacts can cost 3 times more and cause tenant disruption. Property managers leverage relationships with vetted contractors, ensuring quality work at competitive prices and priority scheduling. This not only saves money, but prevents recurring issues, keeping your property in top shape and your tenants satisfied. Managing properties isn't just financial, it's emotional too. The constant availability for emergencies, difficult tenant conflicts, and eviction stress can turn passive income into a source of anxiety. Owners face 24/7 emergency calls, tenant disputes, and complex eviction processes. Professional managers absorb these burdens, providing after-hours support, neutral conflict resolution, and handling legal proceedings, which protects owners from emotional exhaustion and legal risks. This relief is invaluable. Cash flow consistency is crucial, yet self-managing owners often struggle with rent collection. Chasing payments monthly becomes stressful and time-consuming. Without systematic procedures, late fees go uncollected, partial payments confuse accounting, and emotional ties cloud decisions. Professional management improves on-time rent collection by over 20% through automated reminders and strict enforcement, stabilizing cash flow and reducing stress. This directly improves your investment returns. Time is a critical factor. Self-management demands 15 to 20 hours per month per property, covering marketing, maintenance, and tenant communication. This time has a $2,400 monthly opportunity cost, time you could spend growing your portfolio or pursuing other income. Alarmingly, 73% of self-managing owners report burnout within their first 8 years. Many find their effective hourly wage falls below minimum wage. Professional management frees this time, letting you focus on higher value activities. Deferred maintenance is a silent killer of property value. Self-managing owners often delay repairs due to cost or time, leading to a cycle. Small issues ignored become bigger problems, then costly emergencies, and ultimately, property deterioration and value loss. Professional managers conduct regular inspections and preventive maintenance, addressing problems before they escalate. This proactive approach preserves and even enhances your property's market value over time, protecting your investment. Raising rents strategically is both an art and a science. Most self-managing owners lack the market insight, legal knowledge, and diplomacy needed to optimize rent increases. Without this, they leave 8 to 15% of potential income on the table annually. Professional managers analyze local market trends, comply with legal notice requirements, and balance rent hikes with tenant retention strategies. This maximizes revenue while minimizing turnover, directly boosting your investment's profitability. Here's a paradox. Self-management often prevents portfolio growth. Owners get overwhelmed by operational demands, leading to burnout and time constraints that keep them focused on a single property. This limits wealth-building opportunities. Professional property management transforms this by turning active labor into passive income, freeing owners to acquire more properties. Those who use professional management typically grow portfolios 3 to 5 times faster, significantly accelerating their path to financial success. So, what's the takeaway? Don't join the regret club. Smart property owners learn from others' mistakes. Professional management offers expertise, time freedom, and scalable success. It's an investment in your peace of mind and long-term wealth. The cost of not hiring a manager is often immeasurable regret and missed opportunities. If you want to protect your investment and transform your experience from stressful to profitable, professional management is the key. Ready to unlock the full potential of your property investment? Contact National Real Estate Management Group today. Reach out to Will Upshaw, Commercial Realtor, at 313-546-9884 or via email at willudinremg.com. Visit our website or use the provided options to email or call us now. Let's work together to protect your investment, increase your returns, and give you the freedom to focus on what matters most. Helping investors invest. This is our commitment to you.